1. Find your niche. Story atmosphere. Choose a type of Reddit story that speaks to you. Some popular genres: AITA, Am I the A-hole? Juicy dramas and debates. TIFU, Today I effed up. Hilarious misfires and awkward moments. Relationship dramas. Crazy romances or brutal breakups. Spooky encounters. Scary stories that give you chills. 2. Use AI tools. Use tools like ChatGPT to generate or summarize Reddit stories. Browsing Reddit. Check out subreddits to find trending stories you can adapt or use. 3. Create captivating content. Storytime format. Keep it short and sweet, lasting 1 to 3 minutes. Voiceover magic. Use your voice or text-to-speech to tell the story. The importance of visuals. Add eye-catching visuals or clips to capture attention. 4. Ride like a pro. Video editing apps. Use apps like CapCut or InShot to edit your videos. Add music. Add relaxing background music or sound effects to enhance the atmosphere. Captions and emojis. Use captions and emojis for impactful, easy-to-follow content. 5. Publish and promote. Hashtags are key. Use relevant hashtags like #Reddit stories, #Storytime, or #AI stories to reach your audience. Interact with your audience. Reply to comments and ask for their feedback on stories. What's regularity? Post regularly to keep your subscribers coming back. 6. Monetize your content. TikTok Creator Fund. If you reach the required number of followers and views, apply to join the Creator Fund and receive funds. Brand deals. As you grow, partner with brands for sponsored content. Merchandise and links. Consider selling merchandise or linking to other projects you're working on.